Hello. Today, we're going to explore an earth-shattering mystery, earthquakes. Imagine our Earth as a giant pizza, divided into many cheese slices called tectonic plates. These cheese slices are constantly moving and colliding with each other, creating huge cracks underground. The energy from these collisions is released in the form of seismic waves, causing the ground to shake like it's dancing to rock and roll, like when we play the balloon popping game. When we pop a balloon, the energy from our hand transfers to the balloon, making it vibrate and pop. Similarly, when tectonic plates collide, the energy from the collision is transmitted through the layers of rock and soil, creating seismic waves and causing the ground to shake. Or like when we throw a stone into a pond. When the stone drops into the water, it creates ripples that spread out around it. Similarly, when there is an earthquake, seismic waves will travel from the point of impact, causing the ground to shake in nearby areas. There are many different types of earthquakes classified by their cause and intensity. Some common types of earthquakes include plate tectonic earthquakes. These are the most common type of earthquake, occurring when tectonic plates collide. Volcanic earthquakes. When volcanoes erupt, hot magma moves underground, creating cracks and causing vibrations. Earthquakes caused by explosions of bombs and mines and nuclear tests. These powerful explosions can also create seismic waves. However, the magnitude is usually smaller than earthquakes caused by natural causes. The strength of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, with each unit increase in magnitude representing a 10-fold increase in the energy of the earthquake. For example, a magnitude 5 earthquake is 10 times stronger than a magnitude 4 earthquake. So, what are the consequences of earthquakes? Earthquakes can have many serious consequences, including 1. Collapse of buildings and structures. Strong seismic waves can cause buildings and structures to shake violently, leading to collapse and causing loss of life and property. Tsunamis. When earthquakes occur under the seabed, they can generate massive tsunamis that hit coastal areas at high speed, causing flooding and widespread devastation. Landslides. Earthquakes can cause slopes to collapse, creating landslides that endanger lives and property. Fires. Earthquakes can damage electrical systems, causing fires. To protect yourself in an earthquake, you need to remember the following. 1. Stay calm. The most important thing is to stay calm and not panic. Find shelter. If you're indoors, find a safe shelter under a table, bed, or in a corner. Stay away from windows, shelves, and objects that can fall over. Evacuate if possible. If you are outdoors, quickly move away from tall buildings, power lines, and areas at risk of collapse. Follow the instructions of the authorities. After an earthquake, follow the instructions of the authorities to receive assistance and move to a safe location. Additional fun facts about earthquakes. Earthquakes can change the shape of the Earth. When tectonic plates move, they can cause continents to drift, mountains to rise, and oceans to form. Animals can sense earthquakes before humans do. Some animals can feel seismic waves before humans do and may move to safety before the earthquake occurs. Earthquakes are a dangerous natural phenomenon, but we can minimize the damage they cause by raising awareness, building sturdy homes, following preventive measures, and participating in emergency response training. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills you need to protect yourself and your community from the disaster of earthquakes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video about earthquakes. I hope you found the information helpful and interesting.